Welcome to our tutorial on creating your account on WRC1.com. First, open your web browser and go to www.wrc1.com. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Now, click on the Open an Account button to start the account creation process. You'll see a form asking for basic information. Enter your name, surname, email address, telephone number, and create a strong password. Be sure to use a unique password that you'll remember. Next, review the terms and conditions and the privacy policy if you like. Once you're ready, check the box to accept them. Once you've completed the form, click Register. WRC1.com will send a welcome message to your email. Great! Your account is now open. And that's it. You're all set to explore WRC1.com dashboard.